Good evening, everybody. I'm Judge George Steele of the Mason County District Court. I was given the privilege of serving as your district court judge almost 4 years ago. I'm running unopposed, but I still want to take the opportunity to let people know what we're doing as a court. And to put it mildly, and this will show that I have a keen grasp of the obvious, it's been a challenging period of time we've been dealing with. We've had the Supreme Court, due to the pandemic, pretty much shut everything down for about 3 months, maybe a little bit more than 3 months. And what we've been challenged to do is adapt new technologies, get the funding to do it, so we could conduct court remotely, but also get ready to gear up for doing jury trials again. We had an issue with the first months of the shutdown where all we could hear is in custody cases. So if a person was, I won't say you, but a person arrested for DUI, it'd be everybody's interest to get some release conditions put on that individual. But unless they were in jail, you couldn't do it. So I did, my part, including direct communication with the Supreme Court, to say you've got to loosen it up a little bit so we can have these hearings and at least get this part of it done. And we gradually loosen things up. One thing that Mason County, I think, sets us apart from almost every place as far as I can tell, and again, this is anecdotal, but a lot of other counties still have tremendous backlogs of jury trials in cases that aren't being handled. That is not the case in this case. Everybody involved, and with that, tip my hat off to Mr. Dorcy, the Public Defender's Office, Superior Court counterparts. We have managed to resume jury trials, for example, as soon as the Supreme Court said we could. We do not have any backlogs in Mason County as far as jury trials resulting from the pandemic. We've been able to keep our courts effective, and that's what I want to continue to do. As I said before, because I came from being a municipal court judge in the city of Shelton, I made lots of decisions. I had to. That's the nature of the job, including decisions I do not want to have to make. I do want to make sure that I can do my part to help make sure that our court system is effective in making sure that people are held to account. That does not mean everybody's found guilty. That means that the law is fairly applied and just results occur. And I would appreciate your support to give me another 4 years to make that happen. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm your coroner, and I'm running to be your next coroner again. I'm born and raised Mason County. My parents were born and raised Mason County. My grandparents are born and raised Mason County. I have over 15 years of experience as a death investigator, and I want to come back home. I came from Kitsap, and I want to come back home here. So vote for me.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Mike Dorcy. I am used to talking to people that are alive, but I'll still try to make it quick. I'm running for re-election to the position of Mason County Prosecuting Attorney. I've been in that position since 2010, so I'm finishing up my 12th year. I've been in criminal prosecution and municipal governance for about 21 years between the city and the county, and ultimately in the current elected position. I'm running for re-election because it's something, despite the crushing changes, and boy, we spend as much time working on 20 and 30-year-old cases as we do our current cases right now. So I don't totally share the lack of a backlog mentality, but it's true that we're far better off with our current stuff than a lot of counties are. But despite all that, it's something that I have a passion for. I enjoy the law. I enjoy trial work. I enjoy being able to fight for accountability for criminal behavior and for the protection of and recognition of victims' rights. And so running for re-election, and I certainly appreciate this event and glad to meet you all and answer any questions you might have as we go through this. Thank you.
My name is Lisa Frazier. Elizabeth does have to be formal, but I go by Lisa.
Oh, sorry.
That's
okay,
all right.
Okay. Lisa.
So I go by Lisa. And I am running unopposed as your Mason County Treasurer. I've been in the Treasurer's office for 42 years, the last 22 years as your County Treasurer, and it has been my honor and pleasure to represent you in Mason County. And it is my honor and my pleasure to be here tonight to answer any questions that you may have. But I thank you again for your support and I look forward to representing you for the next 4 years. Thank you.